Are you struggling to get your business noticed online? You're not alone. Small business owners often feel overwhelmed trying to figure out where to start. It can feel like you're shouting into the void and getting nowhere. Today, we'll cover the foundational steps to help you get seen, heard, and chosen by your audience in 2025. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap for building a consistent and impactful online presence. I've spent over 2 decades helping small business owners and entrepreneurs build their visibility online. Whether you're a small business owner or entrepreneur, I've seen firsthand how a strong online presence can transform a business. And before we dive in, I want to let you know about a free resource I've created, the Ultimate 2025 Visibility Checklist. It's packed with actionable steps to get started right away. Just use the link to download this checklist today. Let me start with the biggest misconception about visibility. It's that it's a one and done effort. Maybe you set up your Google business profile years ago, or you posted on Instagram last month and thought, that's enough. Unfortunately, it's not. For small businesses, the online space feels crowded. You're competing not only with larger companies, but also with countless other small businesses. Time and resources are limited. You're busy running your business, and keeping up with trends can feel like a full-time job. I've worked with a local service business that spent $5,000 a month on ads. But guess what? They didn't even have a Google business profile set up. They were throwing money into ads, but had no foundation to back it up. The good news is, visibility doesn't have to be overwhelming or expensive. Let's talk about how you can simplify and take actionable steps towards being more visible online. I'm going to share with you some different solutions, and I'm going to start with solution number 1. Focus on where your audience is. You do not need to be on every platform out there. Start with 1 or 2 places where your audience spends the most time. For example, if your audience is on Instagram, then double down there. A client we worked with saw a huge engagement when they started focusing on Instagram Reels. They build trust by showing behind the scenes moments and their products in action. Now, solution number 2, I want you to conduct an online presence audit. Stay with me here. Think of an audit as the foundation of your visibility plan. You can't fix what you don't know is broken. The checklist is designed to make this easy. It'll guide you through key areas like your Google business profile, website, and social media profiles so you can identify what needs attention first. Now, you may be thinking, okay, what are the steps to get started? First, Google yourself and your business. For those out there that may have a personal brand, you need to Google yourself. And for businesses, you need to Google your business. What comes up? Next, check your website. Is it mobile friendly? And is it up to date? Look at your social media profiles. Are they consistent with your branding? If you're not sure where to begin, remember, download my free Ultimate 2025 Visibility Checklist. It'll walk you through an audit step by step. Now, next thing I want to talk about is leveraging free and low-cost tools. You don't need a big budget to make an impact. Some of my favorite free and affordable tools include Canva for creating professional looking graphics. Next, Google Business Profile for improving local search visibility. Next, ChatGPT for brainstorming content ideas and repurposing. Now, coming soon, we will be talking all about how ChatGPT can help you create content that gets you noticed. I want to go on to solution 4. Plan and repurpose content. Consistency is key. I feel like I say that over and over again, but it's the truth. Planning ahead allows you to create better, more valuable content. And here's the best part. You can repurpose one piece of content across multiple platforms. Take a short video, post it on Instagram as a reel, upload it to TikTok, share it on YouTube Shorts, and post it on Facebook. One video can go a long way. Now, if you're serious about building visibility, I really encourage you to download the Ultimate 2025 Visibility Checklist. It will help you prioritize your efforts and stay consistent. Okay, so what all did we cover? Focus on platforms where your audience spends time. Audit your online presence and prioritize foundational tools. Use free and affordable tools to build consistency. And lastly, plan and repurpose your content to save time. This week, I challenge you to pick one thing to improve. For example, update your Google Business Profile or plan out your next 3 social media posts. Small, consistent steps will lead to big changes. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use these tips. And stay tuned for next week, where we'll dive into the top 5 visibility mistakes businesses make and how to avoid them. Don't forget, make sure to download the Ultimate 2025 Visibility Checklist. It's packed with tips and actionable steps to help you take charge of your online presence today.